Cecilia, come clean our house. This is a fucking crack house. Look at this shit on the floor. That fucking yogurt? Look at that yogurt in the corner. Who the fuck throws yogurt in the goddamn corner? Ugh. Filthy. This is classic crack house. This is where we end up passing out. Jesus.